Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to prepare your computer for donation on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, device, computer, whatever you want to call it. So I have made other tutorials in the past of this nature, and I have made a video about actually using a utility that actually goes into BIOS and cleans everything out. However, I feel like I would rather just kind of do one using the built-in Windows utilities just to kind of do a clean install of the Windows operating system, so not overly, obsessive about it, which you can go and do extra steps, as precautions, but generally speaking, what I'm going to show in this video should be generally sufficient for most people. And to be honest, if I were donating my own computer, I'd be comfortable doing this method as well. So just want to put that out there. People might have difference of opinions, but that's the world, I guess. Open up the start menu, type in settings. Best match should come back with settings right above app. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the tile that says update and security, and then select recovery on the left side. Select the option underneath reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstalls Windows. Select get started. So now you have a couple choices here, so keep my files or remove everything. So we're going to select remove everything here. So you want to select change settings versus data erase. Just remove your files. This is quicker but less secure. We're going to turn that off actually. And then select confirm. Select next. So resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC, remove any changes made to settings, and remove all apps and programs. This will take a while and your PC will restart. Select the reset button to begin this process. It will take some time. It's basically going to be reinstalling Windows here, and it's going to be creating a new profile. So just make sure you have everything backed up before you go ahead and select this reset button. So go ahead and select that, let it restore your computer, and then once it's all done, it should be available for, you can go test it out, turn it on the computer, and it should be to your liking. And then if you want to donate to a family, friend, an acquaintance or whatever, you're more than welcome to at that point. And you really shouldn't have to worry too much about somebody getting in your files, because like I said in the beginning of the video, some people are really paranoid about it, and it's never enough, and you actually have to physically destroy the hard drive. I mean, that just seems a little wasteful to me and obsessive. I don't think most people are really digging into hard drives, so just want to put that out there. But I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.